Hello guys and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to make a website using AI. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So AI itself has come a very long way to the point that it's actually creating the websites for us. So just to get more of an understanding on AI itself and it being able to build a website, AI involves leveraging AI-driven tools and platforms that can automate and streamline the web design process. These tools can help create a website more efficiently, sometimes with minimal input from the user. So what we'll do is we'll actually take a look at some of the different website builders that currently have the AI website builder or the AI built in them. So the first thing to do really is to choose an AI-driven website builder. So as said, I'll discuss through the following, but we'll just get an overview on what it does. So firstly, select a platform, and a couple of choices you have there is Wix ADI, so that's Artificial Design Intelligence. Very basic, however, it does create the website for you. You also have 10Web as well, where it's able to create the website with ease. Then there's a couple of website builders as well called Durable.co, and same scenario where it's able to create and build that website with ease. You do also have AI integration, and what this is areas that help you make some content for your website. So Squarespace has this at the minute, so it's called Squarespace AI. They actually have this AI integration where it asks you a couple of questions on what your business is all about, and then it's able to create and make up some content for your website. But anyway, once you have chosen that platform, and again, we'll go through some of the different platforms just to give you more of an idea on some of these website builders, then is the time to create an account. So the service would usually be free, so just sign up for the service. It would sometimes typically involve choosing a subscription plan, and that occurs for 10Web, but we'll take a closer look into it, and some of which may have a free plan as well. So again, we'll have a closer look into it. Now, what it normally would do is you would input your requirements. So it'll ask you a series of questions, and that's where you answer those questions. Now, these platforms usually start by asking these questions about your website's purpose, preferences, and desired features. This might include your industry, style preferences, color scheme, as well as the functionalities needed. Then that's where, in turn, you provide that content. So some AI builders may require basic content inputs. That could be your business name. That could be a brief description of what you do as a business or as an individual. It doesn't have to be a business. It'll probably give you some information as well, like contact information. Are you going to use a business email? Are you going to use your personal email? Do you want to add in your number? Where are you located? Where's your business located? Do you have a physical store? Do you have a non-physical store? So there are plenty of different options. Each website builder is going to be different when in term of creating the actual website using AI. And all you would need to really do after that is let AI do its work. With the automated design generation, the AI uses all your answers to automatically generate a website layout and design. So it is fantastic. Some of these website builders only need about 30 seconds, if not just right under a minute, to create and build a website for you. Now, the AI uses your answers to automatically generate a website, as I've mentioned, and it does select the different appropriate templates, your color schemes. You can even include color schemes that you already have for your business. So say that you want a quick and easy and simple website, then you can just ask it, okay, this is the hex code that we're using, or this is the type of green that we're using, or the type of blue that we're using. And you can even add in your own images, or it'll add free or copyright free images and fonts based on your inputs. So that is something to note. When you are getting a website from the AI, and of course depending on the AI builder, it's always best to review and customize it. Now, AI isn't perfect. It's always going to give you sometimes the most basic site, or it'll give you just a base or foundation for you to work on. So do that initial review. Once the AI presents a draft of your website, review it. see if it aligns with your vision. See if it works well with what you want as a business or as a website. It's always best to make those adjustments. Most AI builders will allow you to make further customizations as well, which is great. And that is some of the website builders like Wix. You've got Zero, you've got Squarespace. It enables you to make those minor adjustments or major adjustments if need be. You can tweak those layouts, you can change those colors, you can even remove the sections that you want, and as well as that, upload additional content. So say the content that it provides, like the images, is not to your taste. Then you can upload your own content. So it doesn't stop you uploading anything that you need to put in. Number 5 would typically just involve optimization and adding functionalities. So SEO tools and analytics. You would use built-in tools for search engine optimization, and that can assist in suggesting keywords or optimizing site structure for better search engine ranking. And then that's where you would add the different features. So implement additional functionalities. So if you wanted to have e-commerce, then of course what you need to add in is a tool for e-commerce. But some of these websites or website builders will have e-commerce built in. Again, Shopify is purely an e-commerce site, so it doesn't at the minute have AI from my understanding, but that's just an example. Wix, again, has AI and can create an e-commerce based website for it. Then you would add other features like contact forms, social media integration, or even chatbots, or like a little chat area for where the visitor can actually get in contact with the website owner. And then the last few bits really is just to test that website. Functionality testing, make sure that you ensure all elements like navigation links, forms, and buttons work correctly. You want to make sure that the responsiveness of the website is great. Again, website builders have this already built in, so you don't really need to worry too much, but it's always best to do the responsive design test anyway. Check if the website displays well across different devices and screen sizes. And all that's really left to do is the user feedback. So it can be beneficial to gather feedback from potential users, just to identify any usability issues as well. Last few steps really is to launch that site. So you've got your domain and hosting, which you need to look for. It isn't really provided when you are using AI. Of course, yes, it'll build the website for you, but you still need to do those little touches like domain and hosting and publishing the actual site. So make sure you set up a domain name, pick one that ties in well with the website and you as a brand business. Check if the hosting is included with your AI website builder. It usually will be. All that's left is to publish. So once everything is set and you're satisfied with the overall site, go ahead and publish it. So that website is now live and accessible to the public. Now keep a note of this. Yes, the AI builder may have made your website for you and you may have made some minimal changes to do so, but you always need to do some continuous updates and monitoring. You can't just leave your website as is. Regular content update is required. Keep the website updated with fresh content to engage with visitors and improve your SEO. Always check the performance as well of the website. So performance monitoring is a key factor here. Use available analytic tools to monitor your site's performance and make data-driven improvements. Again, some of these website builders will have this built in, like Squarespace. Sometimes Wix will need another platform in order to help. You could use GTmetrix or another platform to help assist with the site's performance. And all you would need to do really is just leverage on AI for ongoing maintenance. You can use AI-driven tools for automated updates and optimizations, and that's based on user interactions and feedback. You can even use AI chatbots, so consider implementing AI chatbots for enhanced user engagement as well as customer service. So instead, that does save you time as well. If there are a couple of frequently asked questions and you've got that little chat box on the bottom right or bottom left, wherever you would normally have it, you can give an automated answer. And if they really do require that help, then that's when they can get in contact with the team. So that usually is the best way to go when you are building a website using AI. Now, for the advantages of using AI for website building, efficiency-wise, it's completely fast. It will significantly speed up the design process. Now, with the customization, despite being automated, some of the AI tools often provide a good level of customization. For the user experience, AI algorithms can optimize the layout for better user engagement and user experience. Another thing to note as well is the cost effectiveness. So many AI website builders are more affordable than hiring a professional web designer. However, there are disadvantages to an advantage, of course. So disadvantages, you have limited creativity. So since it's creating it for you, AI might not match that creativity and uniqueness of a skilled human designer. And sometimes it can provide very, very basic websites. I will demonstrate one of them as well, which does provide that basic website, and it is just a platform really where you can base it off as a foundation and work with the overall design that it's created. As well as this, you do have less control. It's not like WordPress, where it's a content management system, or BigCommerce, or any other platforms like Drupal as well. You don't have much control. So since it's going to be using a website builder, the design details and the animations that you would normally want to have is limited. So that is something in comparison towards with building one from scratch or using traditional content management systems. But overall, I would say using an AI to build a website can be a great solution for individuals or small businesses looking to get online quickly and efficiently. However, for more complex and highly customized websites, a traditional web development approach may be suitable. So now that we have more of an understanding on how to build a website through AI, let's actually demonstrate this using a website builder. With Wix, they have 3 different platforms. They have Wix ADI, which is Artificial Design Intelligence. They've got Wix Editor as well as Wix Studio. So the one that we're going to be following today is Wix ADI, and it is a pretty cool little tool to use on Wix itself, especially if you're looking for that quick online presence. So start off by clicking on Wix website. Straight away, it'll show you what AI is. We can see here, bring your ideas to life with AI. Get started faster with the help of AI. Tell us about yourself and get personalized tools, images, and text for your site. So as I was mentioning earlier on in the video, it does ask for a couple of questions, and with Wix, this is pretty much a demonstration of that. So all we need to do is go ahead and select Start Chat. Now, if you set up without AI, then you'll not get this tool. So firstly, it's going to ask you, what do you want to call your website? So for us, we're going to say that the website is ProfileTree. And then we'll just say ProfileTree test. Okay. So then it'll say, all right, brilliant. What is the name of your business? So for this one, we'll just say, so we've named the actual site. Now we need to name the business. Of course, with the site and the business, make sure it's named the same. But in my case, I just need to see where the site is located, just so I know whereabouts it is. But anyway, what is the name of your business? I'll just say, so I'm just going to base it off food. So amazing food and drink, just like so. Now you can also rephrase that question. You can help me answer or skip that question completely. But it is great to have that information. You'll see on the right side, this is the site profile. It lists out everything that you have said to the AI itself, and then that'll generate everything. So happy enough with this, I'm going to go ahead and click next. So amazing food and drink. This will now say amazing food and drink, hopefully, but we'll just wait and see. Okay, that's an appetizing name. Now tell me more about your business. What specifically do you sell or provide? So we provide recipes and give tips on how to create a meal in a few simple steps. We also have a YouTube channel that provides information about the food recipes we showcase. Again, this is what you're going to be typing for your business, or this is what you're going to be typing as an individual. So if you say, I am an individual looking for a portfolio website to showcase to employers. So that could be one. You could say, I am a car dealership that is looking to sell online and so. I specifically sell the range of this car, that car, and so on. So that's what you could provide in terms of the description. So what we're saying is that we provide recipes and give tips on how to create a meal in a few simple steps. So we're not selling, but this is the information that we've given. So we provide information on the best healthy meals to cook, how you would handle dietary needs, and so on. So that gives AI an understanding on what we have just provided. So that's the information. So we provide recipes and give tips and so on, and then how you would handle your dietary needs and so on. So okay, that's taken into account on what we do. Now it'll say, okay, who is your target audience and what kind of people will be visiting. Target audience are those looking for food recipes and those interested in tasty meals. Ages 12. Okay, so anyone really. That's what I'm trying to state. Anyone could look at it. So I did notice straight away that there's something wrong with this AI. Again, it isn't 100% perfect, but it has said my site type is a web development agency. Now I can change this if I need to and say food. So food blogger. There you go. And then I can apply that, as you can see. Now I did miss a question there, which is, can you please provide a general location of your business or for your business? So this is where we put down, I'm from Belfast, Northern Ireland. Okay, so I'm sorry for the confusion, but I need to know the general location of your business website. Could you please provide that information? We're from Belfast, Northern Ireland. Okay, so it's actually changed that again, but it should change that back. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so it's saying the site type is web development agency. I'm going to try to change that back again to food blogger. Okay, food blogger. So you can see it's asking if you have any business history or unique selling points you'd like to share. I'm all ears. So we'll just say no, and then that should then give us more of an idea. Let's just see. Just wait for AI to sort this out. Okay, so is there anything else you need to tell me about your business? Okay, we'll just say no. Okay, so it's changed that now to food blog, site type. Site apps is blog and Instagram. And the goals is website setup and design, small business, entrepreneur, startup, professional, and informative. Okay, so everything is all done. So it's even got delicious food and drink delivered. I'll go ahead to the dashboard here. So this will take us to the dashboard. Now I have options with Wix to either choose from a template or use ADI, and I'm going to showcase the artificial design intelligence. So just click on design, and I'm going to let Wix create the site for me. Okay, so this is where we can enter our name, our email address, phone number, and so on. And then we'll just skip this now. Just go next. I want to go for fresh. So these are all the different themes that you can pick. So high rise, minimal, fuse, fresh, hype, jet black. I'm just going to go with fresh. And this is where it'll prepare a homepage design for us. Just wait and see. And then I'll just go for this one and then select next. So it hasn't quite laid it out properly. I did see at the very end there when I clicked next, it did select web developer for some reason. So again, it isn't perfect. So we'll just skip this. But any of the minor changes you can create anyway on the artificial design intelligence platform itself or the Wix editor. So it isn't much of a big deal. So once all the pages and everything has been added, you will then get your website. Of course, can be a little bit glitchy, but it might just be a bug on my end at the minute. So it may be fixed as soon as you guys watch this video. So we'll just go to the editor. But if there's minor changes, as long as you got that overall layout like we have here, it is simplistic. It's straight to the point. However, if I just change that strip background, I can go ahead and go to the images here, and then I can choose any of the images around here. There is also an AI image creator as well. So if I just describe the image, can you create an image based on food in a restaurant? Like that, and then create that image. So this is still the beta stages, but it is really cool to see the fact that I can create something textual to image So off the bat, it's created an image here. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and use that image. That's actually perfect. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I'm sure you guys have heard of DALL-E as well. DALL-E is on ChatGPT, and you are able to also create images based off text. You can go as wild as you can as well for it. So another cool feature to use, especially on AI. So we'll just wait for this again to load. Now Wix does have several different AI tools to use, and that is just one of them, which is the AI image creator, and that is fairly new for what it is as well. So straight off the bat, you can see now we have more of an idea on how we can create the website. Now you've got different elements there as well where you can toss in and add it into the website itself, and that will make it a little bit better. It'll enhance it more as well. So of course it says CSS front-end development JavaScript, but we can of course change that to culinary items or food-related items for it. But overall, that is Wix, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to another website builder that also does the same thing. So this is durable.co. This is an AI website builder that I had mentioned earlier on that is able to get a business online in 30 seconds with #1 AI website builder. So supposedly it will get you a website within 30 seconds, and it is a fairly good platform as well. In terms of pricing, I'll just quickly show you guys the pricing on this. It is completely for free, so anyone who just wants to get started up, this might be the perfect platform for you, especially if you just want a quick, simple website. You can go ahead and select free. There's starter, business, and mogul. So feel free to check out the pricing before starting. But simple enough, go ahead onto here. You don't need to sign in yet, but click generate your website. Now it'll ask us what type of business are we in. We'll just say food industry. Or food, that works. And then we'll click next. Where is your business located? Belfast, Northern Ireland. Okay, next. Business name, amazing food and drink. And drink, and generate that website. So within a matter of seconds, hopefully 30 seconds, it should give us a final result. You can actually see it in the background there that it's creating it rapidly, and it looks pretty good so far. I know it's a little bit of a blurry image, but I can't wait to see what it provides us. Now I would say that this is more modern compared to Wix itself, and it being free, I would highly suggest to take advantage of this. So off the bat, you can see we've got a header, amazing food and drink. We've even got a logo. We've also got the social icons on the top right. We've got our hero section here, and again, you can edit this out if you need to, and regenerate that if need be. So it even gives you a, do you like the website? Thumbs up, thumbs down. So I think I like that a little bit better, more in the middle. A little bit about us, your different food services, and a bit of a testimonial. We've got a gallery as well, the location, a little bit of a contact information, and a footer. So it will ask you to customize and set up your website if you sign up. But overall, I would say this is a really cool platform. It's built that website in no seconds at all. It's very fast, it's very simple, and I would say that you can get set up very easily on this platform. So that is another recommendation. And lastly, Squarespace. Squarespace has a similar idea on AI. You can generate text with AI, but you can't really build the overall website. However, let me just show you guys how easy it is to create a site on this. I'd more say the fact that they give you these options as well and base off everything that you need. With a mixture of using the template and the AI, it actually provides and creates a website for you. So again, we'll say amazing food and drink, and that'll be our website name. We'll go ahead and click next. Now we're going to build our homepage here. It'll provide us with a couple of different sections to choose from. You've got your introduction, you've got your footer, you've got the different services like products, courses, and so on. So here we are. We'll just jump straight into this. So we've got our intro, and we'll add that, and then we'll do courses. Sure. We will do that, so like a cooking course, let's just say, an about section. We need that, that's important. Social section, we can go ahead and do that one. Form section, we'll select this one, happy enough with that one, and then a footer section, and then I'll click on that. So fast, simple, you've got your front end of the website, and then you've also got the title, Amazing Food and Drink. Go ahead and click next. It'll ask you what pages you want to add. I'm just going to do a single page website just to keep it simple. And then it'll ask you for a color palette. There's monochromatic, neutral, and bright, and bold. I'm going to go with the monochromatic. I'm happy enough with that. Click next. Rock grotesque for my font pairing. There's sans serif, there's serif, and mixed. And click finish. Now, once these are generating your pages, Squarespace AI should pop up next. So template is ready. It'll ask you whether you want to use Squarespace AI, and certainly would love to use AI. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Details about your brand or expertise. We provide recipes for food, and we also have blog on food. We create videos on food too. Click next. Now, do we want to go for neutral, playful, professional, friendly, informative, or quirky? So you can see here straight away, it's saying we are passionate about sharing delicious recipes, insightful food blog posts, and engaging food videos. So that actually looks nice. I want to go for playful, see what we can do with playful. We're all about whipping up a tasty recipe. So I already like that. I'm going to go ahead and finish that. That'll then generate the text just under a minute or around a minute, and it should hopefully provide us with what we need. So I'll just skip ahead once it's done. Perfect, so that's went ahead and done what we needed to do, and straight off the bat you'll see that you'll be brought to this section here, and it's actually provided us with the information that we need. So in terms of content, we have welcome to the amazing world of food and drink, and it's so simple to change the sections. So I know that it doesn't necessarily change the section for you, but you can simply just select replace image, go for the free images and type in food. Click the next best one there. I like this one, so I'm just going to go with that one. And straight away, it should provide that specific image as your background. So just like so, you've got a food and drink website. You can go ahead and customize that. So double click, color white. I don't like the alignment of that. I'm going to change that so that it's to the left. Do the same here. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this there. Edit, double click, to the left, color white, and just like so, we've got a website. Edit that section. It's a little bit too bright. I'm going to go ahead and add opacity to it, and just like that, it's already done. So simple and easy. I'm just going to go for black because I want to format it so it's a dark background, or let's see what darkest look like, and then we'll just opacity just like that, and there you go. Simple, fast, and easy, and it just goes to show what AI can do nowadays. But guys, that is pretty much just a how-to on making a website using AI. You can see with the 3 demonstrations there, 3 different methods on our website builders, and it's created some very fast, simplistic websites. And it is up to yourselves whether you want to customize it or not. But I would say that for how fast it creates the website for you, you can get that online presence very fast and very easy. But guys, if you found the video helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.